Hello, you remember that we're busy with top level general equilibrium and how to find that specific point. We're busy now with condition 3. With the first two conditions, we looked at efficiency in production and efficiency in consumption. With this last condition, you'll see it's all about simultaneous producer and consumer equilibrium. Now, how do we find this position? You'll see that first of all, I'm going to draw my production possibility curve. Remember, I said it's a concave curve, and I'm going to transfer condition 2, the efficiency in consumption, into this space so that you can see that it is simultaneous consumer and producer equilibrium. Remember, this production possibility curve we derived from the contract curve of condition 1, efficiency in production. So first of all, you'll see that we get the production possibility curve, and in this space you'll have what we call, let me just correct myself, just make it nicer. If not sure, redo it. I just want to draw a box, the Edgeworth-Bowley box. I transfer the Edgeworth-Bowley box into the space so that it is equal distances. Good Y, good X. Okay. Looks equal. And what I'm going to draw inside is then the efficiency in consumption. You'll see that remember, it's in difference curve, so it's in difference curve 1 of A, in difference curve 2 of A, in difference curve 3 of A, and from that side it will be B, person B. UB1, UB2, and UB3. Now at the different points, you remember I said they are Pareto optimal because you cannot make the one person better off without harming the other person. Now you draw the line there, and what we say is that the line drawn tangent to these curves must be parallel to the line drawn to that point. So say that is point F. This point is going to be also parallel, sorry for the skew line, but if you can see, it should be parallel to that point. So say that is V. V, my pen is going. So that is V, and let's say that is line T, and that is point F. So that point we get because it's parallel to that point, and we say there is now simultaneous consumer and producer equilibrium. And what is the equation? Remember from your condition 1, marginal rate of product transformation equals Px on Py, the relative price, equals Mcx on Mcy, because we're talking about production, equals MRSA xy equals MRS, or marginal rate of substitution, of B good X y. So this is your equation that's important. This is your third condition, okay, for simultaneous consumer and producer equilibrium. This box inside was your efficiency in consumption. The production possibility curve was the efficiency in production. And all together gives you that equation there. Just remember, normally if we ask you a question like this, we will give a maximum of 5 marks. I say normally, 5 marks for diagram. Okay, for diagram. But we might ask you to just give the equation or explain it by the use of diagrams. Remember, I said right in the beginning, I'm going to give you an activity. The activity is the following. You need to find the top level general equilibrium and say why it is Pareto optimal by the use of diagrams and by the use of an equation. Keep in touch online, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.